Resolution adopted by the General Assembly. December 22, 2015. On the report of the Second Committee A. 70-470 Add. Point 1. 70-186. Consumer Protection. The General Assembly. Part 3. Recognizing that member states have a common interest in promoting the strengthening and enforcement of consumer privacy protection and freedom of global information exchange. Considering that e-commerce, which should include trade using mobile devices as an integral part of it, is becoming increasingly important for consumers around the world, and believing that the opportunities it opens up should be used to promote economic development and growth based on new network technologies that involve computers, mobile phones, and other network devices and contribute to improving consumer welfare. Believing that member states, commercial enterprises, consumers and their representatives should pay special attention to the development of effective consumer protection mechanisms in the field of electronic commerce, and that certain consumer protection issues, in particular issues of applicable legal norms and jurisdiction, can be most effectively addressed through international consultations and cooperation. Recognizing that consumer confidence and trust in the context of the normal functioning of the financial services market contribute to strengthening financial stability, enhancing growth, improving efficiency, and developing innovation in the long term, and that the recent financial crisis has brought to the fore the task of protecting consumer interests, which requires the creation of effective regulatory authorities in the financial sector. Oversight and enforcement mechanisms to promote consumer welfare. Recognizing also the importance of combating substandard, mislabeled and counterfeit products that pose a threat to consumer health and safety and the environment, as well as reduce consumer confidence in the market. Further recognizing the importance of coordination and partnership with existing multilateral organizations dealing with consumer protection issues to ensure maximum impact for consumers and in all avoiding duplication of efforts. Recalling the proposal to revise the United Nations Guidelines for Consumer Protection made by participants at the 7th United Nations Conference to review all aspects of a set of multilaterally agreed equitable principles and rules for the control of restrictive business practices.